What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Bobby back again. Currently we are leaving the crib. I'm rushing to get out of my house right now because I am late for a super huge meet that's happening right now in Bear Mountain. I just spoke to my boy Yali, the one with the wide body BRZ, and he's there right now. He said that the meet is bigger than my ass, bigger than my dick, bigger than my nuts. So we are currently looking for the supplies that we're gonna need to record. But anyways, guys, I will catch up with you guys once we have reached our destination. So until then, all right guys, so we just made it to the show, and just to show you guys how real this show is, you're in the like separate parking lot and you guys see a freaking GTR, and the show is over there, but this GTR is over here, bro. Like, come on. That's how you guys know that this car meet is crazy. So right now we're just gonna go look for our boys real quick. We're gonna try to regroup with them and see what's going on. I saw some cars rolling out already, but I decided to still come through. Alright guys, just so you can get a quick scope of what this meet is looking like. Yo, look at this. Bro, this is not your regular like cars and coffee, bro. This is a legit meet, bro. Bro, I saw like 5 Lambos already. And I've been here for like 2 minutes, bro. Send memes. What's good, bro? What's up?
How you doing, man?
Yeah, bro. Park next to this thing?
Yeah, we roll with him here.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Bro.
It's 20 minutes from us.
Send memes. That's dope, yo.
I don't want.
That's my favorite car right there. Look at all that horsepower, man.
I figured that's what you were talking.
Bro.
Like, no, it's got a 50 in there, man.
Bro, look at this. Look at this fitment, yo. You literally tucked it
Like, it's bent too. Like,
behind.
that's got to be imported.
Look at that, yo.
We got that NSXR here.
Guys too? Yo, that's fresh, bro. Those are your pets?
Oh, what is that?
What the hell? What are their names?
This is the female right here. This is Sahara. The smaller one is Kaz, the male.
What the hell? What type of snakes are they?
Colombian red tails.
They don't bite?
This one's down.
Can I? I don't want to hold that.
Put your hand out. Just put your hand out.
Yo, what the
But nothing like Amber Rose. Just the hair cause. That's about all.
Yo, that feels so weird. That's fresh, bro.
So they just chill in your bag like when you're flying?
Yeah, sometimes they'll start poking out, but most of the time they're just chilling.
Hold it again. It's so cool. I'll hold that one.
The little one?
Yeah.
The sheds, the eyes will look like that.
Wrap around me.
I've driven it a decent amount with
Do
a
it.
gas needle just like that.
Oh, it feels so gross. Touch it. It doesn't feel gross. It feels
I actually want to
different.
cycle some pump into it,
Feels
so it's probably
different.
good that I'm burning the
Would you hold it for a little bit and you actually like...
every like 5
People who go like that, that's like, you didn't really experience a snake.
But this was, they had the tow truck over there and all
Those
that.
are the ones that like this. They're almost done. I'm gonna put them up for sale.
He's leaving soon or you gonna be here for a while? Definitely be in the area though. I kept telling these guys about your car whenever they got here.
That is the coolest exhaust I've ever seen.
Yeah. Alrighty guys, gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quick video. I wanted to make it quick and entertaining for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with a friend or whatever you guys want to do, or whatever, man. Just share the growth, man. Share the wealth. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because tomorrow I'm gonna have a very dope video for you guys. So please stay tuned for that, and just stay tuned, man, for more car videos. How many times did I say stay tuned? So many freaking times. But either way, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
So what are you about to do?
I'm just gonna install these cannons real quick. We're gonna go fight some pirates.
Who are you?
First you wanna put them on the racks. That's what she said.